let's review the details of the Accenture company. Company name, Accenture. Founder, Arthur E. Anderson, Clarence Delaney, and Steve Wick. Founded, 1989. Current CEO and Chair, Julie Terry Sweet. Headquarters, Dublin, Ireland. Major industry, professional services, information technology consulting. Current company tagline, let there be change. Can you tell me about yourself? Hello, I'm Ankia, a recent graduate with a bachelor's degree in computer science engineering at NET, Bangalore. I'm passionate about technology and eager to embark on a fulfilling career in the IT industry. During my academic journey, I honed my skills in programming languages like Java and Python, and gained hands-on experience with databases and web development. I'm a quick learner, a strong problem solver, and possess excellent communication skills. I'm excited to contribute my enthusiasm and fresh perspective to a dynamic IT team, and I'm committed to continuous learning and growth in this ever-evolving field. Can you explain your final year project? Or tell me about your B.Tech project? I completed my main project on data science-oriented and heavily reliant on Python. I developed a predictive model to forecast stock prices using historical market data. This involved data preprocessing, feature engineering, and the implementation of machine learning algorithms like LSTM neural networks. The project improved my data analysis and Python programming skills while offering insights into the financial sector's quantitative aspects. My final year project focused on developing a web-based e-commerce platform using PHP and MySQL. I created a user-friendly interface for online shopping, implemented secure payment gateways, and optimized database queries for efficient performance. The project showcased my skills in web development, database management, and problem solving. Explain a situation where you had to work in a team. What was your role, and how did you contribute to the team's success? In a university group project, my role was as a data analyst. I collected and analyzed data, created visualizations, and assisted in generating insights. My contributions ensured our team had well-supported findings and compelling presentations. This collaborative effort led to a comprehensive project that received positive feedback and a high grade. Describe a challenging project you worked on during your studies. One challenging project I worked on was, briefly describe the project, which required extensive research and problem solving. Through dedication and teamwork, we successfully delivered the project within the given time frame. Tell me about your internship experience. During my internship, I worked as a data analyst at XYZ company. I gathered and analyzed data, created reports, and contributed to data-driven decision-making. Collaborating with experienced professionals, I gained valuable insights into real-world data analysis and problem-solving, enhancing my skills and understanding of the field. Can you explain your technical skills and experiences in specific technology or programming language? I have experience working with data science during my academic projects. And I have a solid grasp of Python, with hands-on experience in data analysis and manipulation through Pandas and NumPy. I'm familiar with SQL for database operations and have a basic understanding of web development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Why do you want to work for Accenture? I am impressed by Accenture's global presence, innovative projects, and commitment to employee growth. I believe this environment aligns well with my career aspirations. Tell me about a time when you had to learn a new skill or technology quickly for your job. In my internship, I had to learn data visualization with Tableau within a week. I watched online tutorials, practiced intensively, and sought guidance from colleagues. I swiftly grasped the basics and successfully created complex visualizations for a critical client presentation, showcasing my ability to adapt and learn new skills promptly. Can you provide some information about your family background? I come from a close-knit Indian family. My father, Mr. Rajesh, is a dedicated engineer with over 15 years of experience in the automotive industry. My mother, Mrs. Smita, is a skilled educator who has taught at a local school for a decade. I have a younger sister, Ria, who is currently pursuing her undergraduate studies. Our family values education and hard work, which has been a source of inspiration for me. Why should we hire you? You should hire me because I bring a strong foundation in data analysis and programming, as demonstrated by my academic projects and internship experience. I am eager to learn, adaptable, and committed to contributing to the team's success with fresh perspectives and a strong work ethic. What influenced your decision to opt for the software industry over mechanical or civil engineering? I have a strong interest in technology, and I believe the software industry offers dynamic opportunities for innovation and problem solving. It's a field that's constantly evolving, and I want to be part of that evolution. What do you know about Accenture and its services? Accenture is a leading global professional services company that provides a wide range of services, including mention-specific services. It has a strong reputation for delivering cutting-edge solutions to clients worldwide. What interests you most about the role you're applying for? I'm excited about this role because it offers the opportunity to work on mention-specific aspects of the role, example, cutting-edge projects, diverse teams, which aligns perfectly with my career aspirations. How do you handle stress and tight deadlines? I manage stress by breaking tasks into manageable steps and prioritizing them. I also maintain clear communication with my team to ensure we are on track to meet deadlines. Which subject do you enjoy the most, and what interests you about it? I have a passion for. Mention your favorite subject, particularly because of its. Mention what interests you about it. Example, logical problem solving, real-world applications. What role do ethics and integrity play in your professional life? Ethics and integrity are paramount to me. I believe in maintaining transparency, honesty, and ethical behavior in all my professional interactions, as they are the foundation of trust and credibility. What are your long-term career goals, and how do you see them aligning with Accenture? My long-term career goals involve becoming a data scientist specializing in AI and machine learning. I see Accenture as the perfect platform to achieve this aspiration. Accenture's reputation for innovation and its diverse range of projects will provide me with opportunities to gain hands-on experience and work on cutting-edge technologies. This alignment will allow me to grow professionally and contribute significantly to the company's success. What do you enjoy doing in your leisure time? In my leisure time, I enjoy. Mention your hobbies or activities, example, reading, hiking, coding, personal projects. These activities help me relax and recharge. How do you foresee your career 5 years from now? Or where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I envision myself in a role with increased responsibilities, possibly in a leadership or managerial position. I plan to continuously learn and grow to achieve this. Do you currently have any job offers on the table? I am currently in the interview process with a few companies, including this one. However, I am particularly interested in this opportunity. Have you pursued any certifications or additional qualifications? Yes, I have completed. Mention relevant certifications or qualifications, example, a certification in data science. These have enhanced my skill set and knowledge. What salary range are you looking for? I am open to discussing salary based on industry standards and the responsibilities of the role. My primary focus is on joining a company where I can learn and contribute effectively. Are you open to working night shifts if required? Yes, I am open to working night shifts, as I understand that it may be a requirement for some projects or roles. Would you be willing to relocate if necessary for the role? Yes, I am willing to relocate if the role requires it. I see it as an opportunity for personal and professional growth. Do you have any questions for us? Yes, I have a few questions about the company's work culture, potential career growth, and the projects I might be involved in. Could you please provide some insights? Or, no, I don't have any questions at the moment. I believe the information provided during the interview has given me a clear understanding of the role and the company.